Hey there, I'm Alex from WTI. Recently purchased a new leather recliner for myself and wanted to protect it for as long as I could. That's why I got this chair protector from Easygoing. The fabric of this chair protector is very cozy. A lot of times when you get leather, I love the look of leather, but it can be kind of chilly sometimes and cold. So when I'm sitting at night watching TV with my snacks and my drink, it keeps me nice and cozy and keeps any spills from ruining the leather. It's extremely easy to assemble onto your chair. Takes only 30 seconds at most, and you can be comfortable that your chair is now protected with a really nice fabric. All of the Easygoing covers are two-sided, so if you want to switch it up a little bit, you can change it around and use a different color. And of course, if it does get dirty, you can easily take it off and put it in the wash. So if you're looking for a chair protector that's going to protect your investment, your furniture, highly recommend this one here from Easygoing, and that's my point of view.